Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So recently, I've been seeing this Disney Solitaire Hack trick all over the internet. People are claiming you can unlock tons of stars and coins instantly using nothing but your mobile phone. Honestly, I wasn't sure what to think at first. It sounded a little too magical to be real, so I decided to test it myself and see if there's any truth behind it. In today's video, I'm going to show you the full process step by step, exactly what I did, and by the end we'll reveal the results together to see if this Disney Solitaire mystery is the real deal. The first thing you need is your player ID. You can usually find it really quick in your profile or in the settings menu. For me, it took a few seconds literally. Once I had it, I just copied it and saved it somewhere safe so I wouldn't lose it for the next steps. Super easy, nothing complicated. Next, I just opened the browser on my phone. I used Chrome, but any browser works fine. I typed in the site that everyone was talking about. When it loaded, there were no sketchy pop-ups or weird redirects. The page actually looked pretty clean and normal. Honestly surprised me. Once I landed on the website, I headed straight to the search bar and typed in Disney Solitaire to find unlimited stars and coins hack tool. Next, I selected my device type. I'm playing on Android, but there was also an option for iPhone users. After that, I entered my player ID, made sure everything looked correct, and tapped continue to move on to the next step. Now came the exciting part, choosing how many stars and coins I wanted to receive. Since this was just a test, I decided to go for the biggest bundle they had available and see what would happen. Once I confirmed my choice, a few loading bars appeared on the screen as everything started processing. The whole setup was explained step by step, so it was super simple to follow and didn't feel confusing at all. At the very end, there was a quick verification step, but the directions were clear and it only took a moment to complete. I already handled that part earlier, so let's skip ahead and check out the final results together. So, here's the final result. I opened Disney Solitaire again and went straight to check my stars and coins, and just like that, the extra rewards were already there. No restarting the game, no waiting around, everything showed up instantly, which honestly surprised me. Let me know in the comments if you've ever tested something like this before, and tell me how it worked out for you. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, make sure to leave a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss the next time I try out more Disney Solitaire surprises and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.